to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us here in Hawaii. Now, Kumuhula Johnny Lamho from Ilo, Hawaii is one of Mark's mentors, and he reminds us in this next song that the world that we live in is beautiful indeed. This is a song from Mark's first album, recorded in This song is called Nani Ka Manila. And we're going to ask our friend from the island of Nani by way of Kilauea, Hawaii. Also from Manila, he is a man of Hawaii. If he can join us for this song.
Then we're gonna conquer all the accents. You get notes all over the place, but you live with us.
Anyway, isang taon, naging ikaw mo kami kasi enjoy this song.